This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB32, serving the Tampa Bay area on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
These are the 3 p.m. observations for the local area on Sunday, June 26th. At Tampa International, a thunderstorm was reported. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 69, and the relative humidity 81%. The wind was east at 13 miles an hour, gusting to 25. The pressure was 30.11 inches and rising. At St. Pete Clearwater Airport, it was cloudy. The temperature was 81 degrees, the dew point 71, and the relative humidity 71%. The wind was northeast at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 33. The pressure was 30.09 inches and rising. At Lakeland, rain was falling. The temperature was 75 degrees, the dew point 72, and the relative humidity 88%. The wind was northeast at 20 miles an hour, gusting to 31. The pressure was 30.14 inches and rising. A thunderstorm was reported, with a temperature of 82 at MacDill Air Force Base, 73 at Winter Haven, and 75 at Bartow. At Plant City Municipal Airport, rain was falling, with a temperature of 77. Thunder was reported, with a temperature of 90 at Kissimmee, and 83 at Sarasota-Bradenton Airport. At Punta Gorda, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 88. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 89 at downtown St. Petersburg, 92 at Orlando, and 93 at Fort Myers. At Brooksville, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 75. Marine reports along the coast and offshore buoys. At the Seaman site at Cedar Key, winds were west at 11 knots. Air temperature 88 degrees. At the Seaman site at Venice, winds were north at 4 knots. Sea temperature 87 degrees. Air temperature 77 degrees. At 100 miles west of Bayport, winds were north at 2 knots. Sea temperature 86 degrees. Air temperature 84 degrees. Wave height 1 foot. 210 miles west of Captiva, the air temperature was 84 degrees. Sea surface temperature was 86 degrees. The barometer was 1,019.2 millibars and falling. Winds were east at 8 knots, gusting to 10. The wave period was 4 seconds, and the wave height 2 feet.
The current time is 3:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a flood advisory for northeastern Hillsborough County in west central Florida until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:34 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. This will cause minor flooding in the advisory area. 1 to 3 inches of rain is possible in the advisory area. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tampa, Temple Terrace, Brandon, Fishhawk, Lutz, Riverview, Apollo Beach, East Lake Orienta Park, Tampa International Airport, Egypt Lake Lido, University, Palm River Clarimel, MacDill Air Force Base, Lake Magdalene, Greater Carrollwood, Greater Northdale, Greater Sunday Center, Town and Country, West Park and Davis Islands. Turnaround, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hillsborough County in west central Florida, Manatee County in west central Florida, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun City Center, or 11 miles southwest of Fishhawk, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Tampa Bay waters until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:09 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Tampa Bay, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Courtney Campbell Causeway, Port Manatee Reef, Gandy Bridge, Cockroach Bay, Tampa Bay, Paso Grill Channel, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, Anna Maria Island, Howard Franklin Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, Southwest Channel, Old Tampa Bay, Terracea Bay and Egmont Key. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hillsborough County in west central Florida, Manatee County in west central Florida, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Sun City Center, or 11 miles southwest of Fish Hawk, moving south at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Bradenton, Palmetto, Fish Hawk, Apollo Beach, Parrish, West Bradenton, Memphis, Ellington, Ruskin, South Bradenton, West Samoset, Whitfield, Greater Sunday Center, Riverview, Bradenton Beach, Little Manatee River State Park, Mayaca Head, Gibsonton, Cortez and Bayshore Gardens. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida, Hillsborough and Manatee. A special weather statement for the KHB32 listening area for the following counties in Florida: coastal Hillsborough, coastal Manatee, coastal Pasco, Hardy, inland Hillsborough, inland Manatee, inland Pasco and Polk. Issued at 2:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A large area of strong thunderstorms will affect Hillsborough, Sumter, Hardy, northwestern Highlands, Hernando, Pasco, Pogue, northeastern Manatee and southern Citrus counties. At 2:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near East Lake Orient Park to near Medulla to near Lake Wales, and extended north to Crystal River and Sumterville. Movement was south at 15 miles an hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles an hour are possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Tampa, Spring Hill, Clearwater, Lakeland, Plant City, Winter Haven, Temple Terrace, Haines City, Bartow, Lake Wales, Auburndale, Zephyr Hills, Sebring, Avon Park, Brooksville, Inverness, Wildwood, Dade City, Wauchula, and Bushnell. A special weather statement for the KHB32 listening area for the following counties in Florida, coastal Manatee and inland Manatee. Issued at 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Significant weather advisory for northwestern Sarasota and central Manatee counties until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar was tracking a strong thunderstorm over the Meadows, or near Sarasota, moving north at 10 miles an hour. Dime-size hail and winds in excess of 40 miles an hour will be possible with this storm. Locations impacted include Sarasota, Lakewood Ranch, Ridgewood Heights, Lake Sarasota, Kensington Park, St. Armand's Key, Sarasota Bradenton Airport, North Sarasota, Southgate Ridge, Southgate, Sarasota Springs, Mayaca River State Park, Gulfgate Estates, The Meadows, South Sarasota, Whitfield, Laurel, Hidden River, Lake Manatee State Park and Gator Creek Estate. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Tampa Bay waters until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located 7 nautical miles north of Hillsborough Bay, moving south at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Anna Maria Island, Courtney Campbell Causeway, Port Manatee Reef, Howard Franklin Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, Gandy Bridge, Southwest Channel, Old Tampa Bay, Terracea Bay, Egmont Key, Cockroach Bay, Tampa Bay and Sunshine Skyway Bridge. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.